Hello, this is my review of the SR Merchant Navy, the channel packet number 21C1 with the steam generator Era 3. As you can see, I haven't opened her up yet, so I'll just quickly show you around the box. This is the front of the box. You can see the SR, which is the Southern Rail Merchant Navy channel packet number 21C1, double O gauge model railway, and it's got the HM7000 TXS triple sound, or the triple X sound anyway, steam generator, and it's DCC fitted 21 pin connection. There's a bit about it. If you want to do the usual pausing and reading that, you can. That's the first section there. That's the second section there. The third section there. And then we have got the old drawing of it. We've got the height, the width, the total length, the length of the tender wheels, driving wheels, the pony wheels. And then it, I don't quite read it, but it says Hornby Hobbies, Sandwich Works, scale 00, and date drawn was 2015, right in that corner there. Quite small, but that's what it says. And then not much else. I'll just show you the end of the box. There's nothing else apart from, I'll show you the, like I said, the end of the box. Got R30399SS SR Merchant Navy channel packet number 21C1 steam generator Era 3, and as I said earlier, it's DCC fitted to 21 pin connection. Open up the box. Got nice velvet. And then we've got usual paperwork. So we've got the Merchant Navy steam generator, got the general, all the same, seen things like a zillion times before. Running hints, routine maintenance, lubrication, DCC decoder replacement. I think it's already pre-fitted, and it shows you where the spares go, like the bright rods there, the coupling, and a few of the pipes, all in yellow, and then show you how to couple the assembly, the tender to the loco, and I'll show you how to fill the water up. It looks like there's a special tool where you open up the front end. I think it's called a dart door, but I'll show you that a little bit later. And on the back, not really much interesting. And then on this piece of paper, or the booklet on rebuilt Merchant Navy steam generator, I'll show you how to do this anyway, but it's got all the codes and everything on there. So let's get her out. Or quite a bit of weight. Right, so we've got, just keeping it dry, got a pipette there, and we've got the accessories here. Oh, that's that little bit where we open up the door with, and then you've got the pipes and a few other bits there. Okay, so let's open, oh, that's the other end of the pipette. Let's just fix onto here. It looks like the door's already fallen off. That's not very good. That should be on the front. And then let's do up close and personal. Okay, apart from the door falling off, it's not really a problem, it's just the magnet bit. And I've noticed that with the coal load, and you can, that's a bit loose, don't know, but that's not really a problem, but it's just, I don't know, it's supposed to be like that. There are no glue marks. Got a very good cab detail. Let's just, and then you just pull it apart, so that makes it easy to show you the cab detail. So that's the cab detail. You can see where it's all been painted up very lovely. You can see some of the dials in the corner there. Some seats. I think it's got a firebox glow. I hope it has. I'm not, I don't know actually. I can't see. No, I don't think it has. And we shall find out a little bit later. It's all painted up. It's all very nice and shiny. It's got sprung buffers. It's the front of it, just there. the other side. See underneath. That's the top. And then we've got the air vents on the top there. They open and close. You can see that. So that's good. Got very good markings on it. All the lovely green stripes on it. Very well done. I'll just show you the tender. Again about the coal, I don't know if that's supposed to slide like that, but it's not really a problem. Got some detail on there. Again, got sprung buffers on the back, and got your coupling there as well. Got some detail on the back of a tender. All very lovely. I see water there. And there's a bit of a cover for the men, so help to keep them dry a bit. A little roof bit underneath, a bit of detail underneath. I think all the brake rigging has been fitted both to the tender. Oh no, perhaps not. I think only on the tender, but not on the Loco. Oh yes it has. I think just see it there actually. I didn't see it at first, but yes, I don't have to worry about fitting that actually pre-fitted. So it's all very nice and shiny. So let's go downstairs to JJ's test track. Welcome to JJ's test track. Right, I'm going to put my Loco on my JJ's test track just to get it ready. Now I've got to get my app ready. This. So then I've got to link a device. Link device. Start scan. This might take a few moments. Okay, so apparently it's found a, they call it a device, so I think I click on that and it says linking. It says ask for Bluetooth firmware and APROM firmware required, both to be updated. So I'm going to click on them both, start updating. This might take a while. Just to quickly show you that both the Bluetooth and the APROM both updated, so I press done. Please power your cycle decoder. Would you like to profile? Yes. Okay, so the profile. So now what I've got to do is to take a photograph of it. So I'll do that, and then so I want to set an image for it. Now I hope I've done this right. Now there's a tiny little hole just there, so I'll squeeze some water in there. I did take the door off, which originally came off, and now I'm going to put this back in again. So hopefully I've done this correctly. Let's hang on a second. Right, I hope I've done everything correctly. I've even got a photograph on my tablet here, as you can see. Right, so let's go. Before we do any sounds, let's just check to make sure this works. First time. Oh, there we go. Working. Let's stop. Put it in reverse. Stop. Well, we know we've got movement at least. Bring it back. That's what I've got here. I don't think I have got a flickering firebox, which is pretty sad because the amount of money that this cost, they couldn't even put a flickering firebox in. Okay, so let's bring it back. Stop it there. So let's test some sounds on it. Multiple whistles 1, another multiple whistles 1, cylinder cocks, injector valve, Hard whistle. This is a new one. Detonators, I think it said. Don't know what that one done. Okay, well let's. You can see that smoke, steam. I hope you can see that steam. Well, at least we've got movement, sound and steam. I think you can see the steam, I hope. It's a very quiet loco compared to my other locos. You definitely saw the steam there. Okay, I think I've just worked out the, can't quite read it, it says Detonators. I think that's correct. I'm going to show you what that is right now. Oh, you just heard it just then. And again, there you go, that little banging noise, that's what that is. And again, just there. There you go, and again, it's that banging noise. Don't know. And again. There you go, you heard that, what that is. Okay, so, oh yes, I've just, can't remember if I've already said this, but I've just checked all around and there's definitely no lighting whatsoever and there's no firebox glow neither, which is pretty, you know, like for all that money I've paid, or talking money, I'm now going to show you how much money I've paid for this, and then after that we're going to go upstairs to my MMMR. Right, just to say, I should have paid £364.99 for the Merchant Navy class for the channel packet, but I got a discount from the Hornby Collectors Club. I don't know why it says club anyway. So it's minus £54.75, plus I was a member of the Hobby Rewards points, which gave me £94.80 off, which is, and I got the shipping free. Anyway, the total was £215.44, which saved me £149.55. So it is very worthwhile joining the Hornby Collectors Club and get onto the Hornby Rewards points, because you do save a lot of money. Because I wasn't really going to pay £364.99 for it when I can save over £100 and get it for £215.44. The Midland Model Railway. Triple MR for sure. Right, I'm now on my triple MR. I'm a little bit difficult to hold the camera in one hand and my tablet in the other hand. And I've got a couple of carriages, Pullman carriages. first time. Well, you get the idea. Well, I hope you like my review. Please like and subscribe. And comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.